Hello friends, this is Gokul from Google Tech, and today in this video we are going to see a very important function in Excel, which is scan. How to use that function in multiple scenarios and what are the uses and which version it's going to support, we are going to discuss detail in this video. I request everyone not to skip any part of this video so that you will not miss any piece of information about that scan function. If I want to add, right, if I want to give the ascending number, so now it is in A and A B C and all, so how I'll do equal to, I'll give this one and this particular column, so that will take me till the, so till the end we will be getting the A to I, which is A B, A B C and A B C D. So till 9 rows we have taken, so we are getting this 9 values. Every row there is a formula. So what will happen in the real-time scenario is, if we have multiple formula in all the rows, it will make the file also heavier and it affects the performance of our uh, workbook as well. So in that case, we can use scan function. So I'm going to use a scan. My initial value is nothing, and the array is the one where I am going to select the complete row or the complete column, comma, and function I'm going to use is lambda. So why lambda function? Lambda function is nothing but it helps us to give or generate the value dynamically. So my value is x and comma y, and then what I have to give is x and y. So wherever we have the x, it will automatically start with y. So our x value is nothing but empty, and y value starts from A2 till the end, which we are selecting. So close the bracket and hit enter. You will get the values exactly same as the one which we have done with the formula. But the one additional option is, we will be not getting the function which is written in each and every line. The function is available in only the very first line of the cell, so where we have given our function. So this is how this scan function and the lambda function work together. Let's go with the numerical calculation part, which is our second scenario of day-to-day life. So for an example, I want to do the arithmetic calculation, which is addition or running total of this particular value in the column A. So normally I will do like empty value plus this value, right? So automatically what will happen is, it will take me the running total of this value, but again with the same formula to avoid the same issue. So we are going to give our scan function over here to give the mathematical calculation. So my initial value is 0 because we don't have any value over there, and my array is from here, which is my A column, and then my function will be lambda and x comma y comma x plus y. Close the bracket, hit enter. You will get exactly the same as the value which we are getting, right? Hope you have understood the difference between entering the sequence value on the text and as well as the numerical value. And now we may have a doubt, can we able to do an calculation based on the condition? Will it be possible or not? Yes, that is also possible. We are going to see that now. So instead here I am going to use the same formula, my scan, and my instead of initial value 0, I am going to use the if condition. If my, I am going to consider, let's say I am going to enter any values over here. Let's say we are doing a scenario of taking the value from the last month. So my value is available in B1. My logical test, if my B1 is equal to 0, then take my initial value as 0, or else it should be the value of B1, and then close the bracket, and now you will give it the array. So my array value is here, comma, and then the function again lambda, and my parameter is x comma y comma and even we can give the if condition as well here. But now to make it that, I leave it for your own practice. You can try and post your comments. What is the result you are going to get if you, whatever the condition you want to apply in the parameter calculation part. I am going to leave it for your own reference. Close the bracket, hit enter. So it is 77. But if I am going to enter, let's say 500 I want to add. You can see that 500 is getting added, and the same result which we are getting in the column B, we are getting in the column D. So this is how our scan function works. If you have any doubt in the scan function, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to assist you on all the time. And our practice files we are continuously uploading in our site, and that link is provided in our description box. You can go ahead and download and practice to gain more idea about the functions we are discussing. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you and have a great day.